Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family-run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles. All meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market. Which today brings us to this stunning BMW X3M Competition, finished off in Donington grey. This BMW X3M Competition comes with a highly desirable specification, including head-up display, glass sliding panoramic sunroof, parking assistant, 360-degree surround view camera with active pedestrian protection, comfort package with comfort access and smart opener, extended storage, adaptive LED headlights with high beam assist, electric folding mirrors with Anti-Dazzle and sun protection glazing. In addition, this comes with heated steering wheel, electric memory seats with active ventilation, front and rear heated seats, enhanced Bluetooth with wireless charging, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, digital cockpit, Harmon Kardon surround sound system, BMW professional navigation with 10.25-inch touch display, Bluetooth hands-free facility with USB audio interface and audio streaming, and ambient interior lighting. Cosmetically, this entirely benefits from a full secure orange merino leather with piano black interior trim. And externally, this benefits from Donington grey metallic paint finish. This BMW X3M Competition comes with full BMW service history, having only covered 34,200 miles, one former keeper, and in very good condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a desirable colour combination and high factory specification. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_AutoHouse for the latest stock updates and services.